under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and the Honorable Finance Minister, as well as the Railways Minister, for giving us a development and welfare-oriented budget. The Indian Railways, Speaker Sir, is like the lifeline of our country. Since its inception more than 200 years ago, the Indian Railways has served as a beacon of India's development and progress. I take this opportunity, Speaker Sir, to commend Honorable Railway Minister through the Chair for increasing the budget 24-25, planning to produce 50 more Amrit Bharat trains, planning to manufacture 10,000 non-AC coaches, planning to launch Vande Bharat Metro, Vande Bharat and Vande Bharat sleepers. Through these approaches, the common man in this country will have more affordable travel and more opportunities to take up education and business. Honorable Speaker, Sir, the allocation of Rs 9,151 crores under this current budget to Andhra Pradesh state is a huge boost and will breathe life into my state, which suffered extensively over the last 5 years to the sheer negligence of the previous state government. The people of Andhra Pradesh gave a decisive mandate to Modi ji 3.0 at the center and Naidu ji 4.0 in the state to march towards Vikasit Bharat. I am confident that the budget reaffirms their trust in our alliance. Speaker, sir, the state of Andhra Pradesh is a young state. It has just turned 10 years old after the unscientific bifurcation in 2014. Its dire financial situation was further worsened by the free spending and no development habits of the previous state government. Our state was in dire need of assistance, and I firmly believe that the budget is an indication of the same. It is a source of great pride of our people that the state railways are all 100% electrified, and whatever works are in the pipeline, I hope they will also be taken up, the electrification work will be taken up in a lightning speed. I speak for the entire Andhra Pradesh, sir, when I extend our collective heartfelt thanks to the Honorable Finance Minister for recognizing Amaravati, our capital city, and the Honorable Railway Minister for allocating Rs 2,000 crores for the development of a special railway lane for our capital city. Sir, another big city in our state, Visakhapatnam, there was a proposal of South Coastal Zone at Visakhapatnam, and we'll be grateful, sir. I'm आपके माध्यम से मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं मंत्री जी को कि इस जोन को जल्द से जल्द कमीशन किया जाए। इसी तरह भोगापुरम में जो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट विशाखापट्टनम के नॉर्थ में बनने वाली है, उसको भी एक रेलवे लाइन देकर रेलवे स्टेशन देने की गुजारिश है। Sir, Honorable Railway Minister in one of his recent submissions mentioned that there are close to 40 infrastructure projects worth 73,743 crores that are at various stages of progress, upgradation and construction in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I applaud the commitment of the government to the overall development of railway infrastructure in the state of Andhra Pradesh. As a representative of Bapatla Parliament constituency, I would like to put forward certain few requests on behalf of my people. Namely, sir, Bapatla जो जगह है, वो एक एजुकेशन सेंटर है, चिराला जहाँ है, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री बहुत बड़ा है, वहाँ बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस है, एक्वाकल्चर का बिजनेस है, वहाँ पे ग्रेनाइट इंडस्ट्री का बिजनेस है और पोर्ट भी बनने वाले हैं. Sir, I thank the Honorable Railway Minister for identifying 73 railway stations for upgradations to Amrit stations. On behalf of the people of Bapatla, I thank the government for including Bapatla and Chirala station under this scheme, sir. Bapatla serves not only as a district headquarters, but is also a parliament constituency headquarters, and therefore, my earnest request, sir, आपके माध्यम से मैं आग्रह करता हूँ कि इन दोनों रेलवे स्टेशन को मेजर अपग्रेडेशन प्रोग्राम में लिया जाए. सर, कोविड के समय से पहले बहुत सारे ट्रेन हमारे पास रुकते थे बापटला और चिराला में। कोविड के समय काफ़ी ट्रेन बंद किया गया था। सर, for the benefit of my people in Andhra Pradesh, I would like to switch over to my mother tongue. मेरी मातृभाषा में मैं स्विच ओवर कर रहा हूँ तेलुगु में। सर, బాపట్ల చిరాల రెండు రైల్వే స్టేషన్లు కోవిడ్ కంటే ముందు చాలా సూపర్ ఫాస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్లు ఆగేవి సార్. కోవిడ్ టైంలో అవన్నీ ఎత్తేసారు. దయచేసి అవి మళ్ళీ పెడితే బాగుంటుందని మేము విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాం సార్. జనశతాబ్ది, సంఘమిత్ర, గ్రాండ్ ట్రంక్, గంగా కావేరి, చార్మినార్, చెన్నై భువనేశ్వర్, అమృత్ భారత్, శ్రద్ధా సేతు, తిరుపతి డబుల్ డెక్కర్ ఇటువంటి కొన్ని ట్రైన్లు మళ్ళీ బాపట్ల చీరాల స్టేషన్స్లో మళ్ళీ స్టాప్ ఇస్తే బాగుంటుందని మీ ద్వారా మంత్రి గారికి విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాం సార్. అదేవిధంగా ఆర్ఓబి అండ్ ఆర్ఓబీస్, the government has increased the budget for ROBs and RUBs and almost 25% increase from 7,400 crores to more than 9,200 crores for this term. This will help reduce accidents at railway crossings and also save time of the people, especially for those that are manned by individuals. I would like to request the government to upgrade the ROBs and RUBs in Bapatla Parliament constituency. Sir, कुछ ऐसे रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट्स है, लाइन्स है, जो विजयवाड़ा गूडूर 4th लाइन प्रोजेक्ट वर्क, that this line passes through my constituency sir. इसका DPR बन चुका है सर, और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ ये DPR जैसे होता है ये फंडिंग देके ये प्रोजेक्ट को भी, विजयवाड़ा गूडूर प्रोजेक्ट भी 4th लाइन का प्रोजेक्ट लेने के लिए मैं आग्रह करता हूँ सर. इसी तरह सर न्यू ट्रेन्स के लिए इंटरसिटी बिटवीन बापटला एंड विजयवाड़ा सर, जैसे वंदे मेट्रो जो आने वाले हैं, वंदे मेट्रो ये सिर्फ 70 किलोमीटर्स का डिस्टेंस है सर. अगर ये भी मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, ये भी कंसिडर करने के लिए आपके माध्यम से कर रहा हूँ सर. इसी तरह सर विजयवाड़ा से बेंगलोर जाने वाले कई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स हैं, विजयवाड़ा गुंटूर वसल प्रांत से बेंगलोर जाते हैं, तो अगर वंदे भारत ओवरनाइट स्लीपर भी वहाँ पे कंसिडर किए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा सर. मैं आपके माध्यम से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ मंत्री जी से. सर गुंटगल जंक्शन जो है वहाँ धर्मावरम गेट है, वो भी मैंड है. अगर वहाँ भी ROB और ROB अगर कंसिडर करें तो अच्छा रहता है सर. वहीं पर कासापुरम रोड है, वहाँ एक बड़े टेंपल के लिए हमेशा लोग जाते हैं तो ट्रैफिक जाम होता है, तो एक ही RUB है और एक दूसरा RUB बना दिया तो वहाँ पे जो टेंपल टूरिज्म के लिए अच्छा ये काम का आएगा सर. आपके माध्यम से मैं मंत्री जी से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ सर. सर, respected sir, railways serve a crucial role in the development of our country. We are taking and we must take all necessary steps for its overall development and progress. Therefore, I wholeheartedly support the grants given to Andhra Pradesh and the Ministry of Railways. Thank you very much sir. धन्यवाद sir.
धन्यवाद.